to where I come from. So I think it gives me great pleasure that I could manage to do it with a lot of help and effort from loads of family, friends, supported in kind, the whole technical team who went beyond their designated jobs and did much more than what they were supposed to do. A lot of people did more than one thing. Rocky Lazarus from Panjim went beyond his role as a musician. He helped us. Narisa from Goan, from Bardroy went beyond Joe. I mean, there are loads of people who helped us to make this happen. And loads of contribution from family and friends. Otherwise, such a film in Konkani at this scale wouldn't have happened. It's not a one man's cup of tea.
You like me, no?
Yes.
I'll always love you with all my heart. Hope someday you love me too.
See, the stories, there are many stories in this story. I can say it. So basically it's a tribute to the musicians, to the who didn't get their due. So for me it was just, I mean, that becomes why the film is made. It's to pay a tribute to them. Then there's a fictional story weaved, and into through that story we also pay tribute to our legendary musicians like Chick Chocolates and so there are two things. One is to make people realize we had loads of musicians, and out of quantity came quality. So that's how what we were 60 years back, and right now we are not even like a fraction of what it was in that 60s and 70s. So I think we should be proud of our past, and we should now take it up, and we have the talent caliber to take it to the next level.
Mai makai na onde está? Dois, três, quatro. Nachom-ia mi soglira.
चेड कांतार बरें म्हणटा मागीर शर्मा बरें सांगता.
Like, I'm a musician.
Lead actors, see, the male actor was decided pretty much 5 years back, but for the lead actors we did auditions for nearly 2 to 3 months. Okay, and we really tried hard. We put ads to let people know that we are doing auditioning. But fortunately or unfortunately, we couldn't get someone up to the mark. There was one girl whom we literally zeroed down to. I in fact ran 3 auditions, hard tests with her, but still she couldn't make the cut. And eventually we got this lead actress, Palomi, just 20 days before the shoot. She's basically a Bengali, but born and brought up in Gujarat and educated in US. So she's all. Vijay is a veteran actor. He's been around. He's acted in Bombay, Black Friday, Punch. He's a seasoned actor. He also writes. He also directs non-commercial. This music is recreated, and we really went down hunting, and I think Ronnie Montserrat deserves credit for it, because he really took the task head on and actually sourced out musicians and got the correct hands to play the music of that era with that style and with that flavor. Then we also have the sound design team, which is Sanjay and Alvin, who made sure that the flavor of that era is retained and the sound is not too processed. It doesn't sound modern. So the sound department contributed big time in this. Alok, who did the final mix, also made sure that people don't get fatigued hearing 20 songs. So they are played in a certain way and the levels are maintained, so you don't feel the fatigue in spite of hearing 20 songs back to back.
संसारांत लेदीस काढल्यात रोडोन भुरग्याचो बोणार सूख गेले उडोन कितें हांवें केलें रे मोहगान पडोन.
And I hope more films will come of this. And if this is success in terms of commercially successful, then I think more people will get into do more better work.